Welcome back to Best Car Reviews USA. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most aggressive and eye-catching supercars on the road, the McLaren 650s, featuring a stunning wide body kit and bold red custom wheels. This machine isn't just about looks, it's a perfect fusion of British engineering and exotic street presence. The McLaren 650s comes with a 3.8-litre twin-turbo V8 engine, pushing out an impressive 641 horsepower and 678 Nm of torque. That power launches the car from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds, and it doesn't stop pulling until it hits a top speed of around 207 mph, but this particular build takes things to the next level. Sitting low on aftermarket suspension with extended fenders, carbon fiber detailing, and those blazing red 5-spoke rims, this car screams performance and style. The aerodynamics aren't just for show. Everything from the front splitter to the rear wing is built for downforce and stability. Inside, the McLaren keeps things lightweight yet luxurious with Alcantara, carbon trim, and a digital cockpit that puts everything the driver needs at their fingertips. As for price, a stock McLaren 650s will set you back around $280,000, but with custom work like this, you're easily looking at over $350,000, depending on the upgrades. In conclusion, the McLaren 650s is a true supercar legend, but with a custom wide body kit and performance parts, it transforms into a street beast that turns heads at every corner. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. If you love exotic cars and custom builds, make sure to subscribe for more jaw-dropping reviews only on Best Car Reviews USA.